Hello, welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday. Thanksgiving is this week. So it is 11 o'clock. I am just finishing up packaging up some With Love Sarah orders. The medallion necklace is officially sold out, but I am starting a pre-sale on Wednesday. It's going Wednesday to Wednesday for a bunch of new releases, but the medallion will be included in that. So will this little dainty layering necklace. So I'm really excited about that. I am going to be filming 3 videos today. I'm filming my Amazon gift guide, my November favorites, and an empties video, which my Amazon gift guide will go up probably tomorrow, and then my November Amazon gift guide, my November favorites, I think is going to go up on Saturday, and then my empties video will go up during Vlogmas. I'm trying to pre-film some videos. Like if I have everything already set up, it's easier to film multiple videos instead of filming each one separately and having to get ready and set everything up and tear everything down. So I figured that would be a good one to film. I have so many things that I've recently used up. I also just finished editing my first Vlogmas video. I am doing a little bit of pre-filming, not a ton, but I'm trying to get some stuff done because otherwise it's just going to be absolute mayhem. And I am splitting Vlogmas between vlogs and actual like sit down regular content videos. So I did vlog the Christmas tree lighting in Detroit, and we went down for that on Friday night. And so that is going to be a Vlogmas video because it's Christmas content. It's just one night and that's that. So that video will be coming probably on December 1st, I'm assuming. We will see. Ooh, I did want to show you, I went out and grabbed a couple of things yesterday that I want to show you. One of them, I grabbed these fuzzy socks. They are so soft and cozy. I'm obsessed with them. So I will link them below for you guys. I also got these little bottle brush trees. I showed you in my decorate with me that my background of my videos isn't done. It just needed a little bit more. And I saw these trees and I think that the colors will go really well with the colors that I made in that garland. So I think that those are so cute. So I will link these down below as well. And then I got some cute wrapping paper, and what else did I get? Something else. Ooh, I got a really cute mug too. This is the wrapping paper that I got. I think these little trees are so cute and the colors of it are just perfect for me. And then I did get this adorable little gingerbread guy mug. I love this. I think it's so cute. And then the last thing I got are these really cute pink and white striped joggers. Hold on. All right, these are the joggers. They just have the gathering at the bottom, so that you can like hike them up if you want. And they do have a little waistband with the tie. So, and they have cute little pockets. So absolutely love these. They're super duper soft. I love them. They fit true to size, and I think they're like $19, so I will link them below too. Okay, now I need to set up to film again. We're putting the lights back in here for another video. I just finished filming 3 videos. So now I need to clean up my office. This is what it looks like after filming videos. So I need to clean up all of the products, put my lights back away, clean everything up off the floor, and turn it back into a good looking office. I'm in the middle of cleaning up my office, but my mail just showed up. So I figured I would open it up. I have a couple of packages. I know what maybe 2 of them are. I'm not really sure exactly though. I think that this is my contacts. I'm hoping. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is my new contacts. I'm so excited. So these boxes are way smaller than I was expecting them to be. But I finally ordered contacts after doing trials. So these are the 2-week contacts, and I do have astigmatism, so that is that. Finally have contacts. I'm so excited. I only ordered 1 box for each eye because I wanted to just make sure. I had so many issues, I didn't want to buy a bunch and then end up still hating them. So I'm just going to use these up, see how it goes. and then we'll move on with life. And then I did get my new Quip toothbrush. This is a subscription that I have had for a while. I signed up for it, God, I don't even remember when, but basically every 3 months they send you a new toothbrush head and a new battery for your toothbrush. So you just pop out your toothbrush. I really like it. I have the gold one and I enjoy it. I feel like it's a good toothbrush. It's super easy to travel with. It has this little travel tube thing and it's inexpensive. I don't have to think about it. I can just change it out when it shows up at my doorstep. It's like really, really affordable. I will say that when I first got the toothbrush, it came with like a sample of the toothpaste and I hated the toothpaste. So don't recommend the toothpaste, but I do recommend the brush and just the refills. This package, I have no idea who this is from. Oh, okay. This is from Made with a Mission. I am so excited about these. These are their bath teas and I have the lavender, I was gonna call it a flavor, it's a scent. And these are the rest of the, I always want to call things flavors, the rest of the scents. Okay, so these are all of the scents that they have. Oh my gosh, and there's confetti like everywhere. So there's Just Relax, Love Spell, Pure Bliss, and Muscle Rescue. And I had never heard of these until I tried this brand out. They're really cool. So it's basically like a tea bag for your bath. I could be totally late to the party on this, but I've never seen anything like these before. So it literally is like a tea bag and you put it in your bathtub. Anyway, I think that they're really cool. So I'm really excited about those. I will link them below for you guys if you want to check them out yourself. Welcome back to cooking. Come here. With Sarah and Adam. We're making healthy chicken fried rice with cauliflowered rice instead of normal rice. So we've got all of our ingredients in front of here. We're gonna cook it. It's super simple and it's delicious. We used the Instant Pot for the very first time today to make the chicken because it was frozen and it took like 20 minutes. And then we have our food processor out so that we can rice the cauliflower. And then this is everything. We're putting broccoli, carrots, and onion in it, hot sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil. This is what we're making the rice out of. And then these. So let's do this. This is the finished product. It says online that you can add hot sauce or more soy if you want, which I think I might add some sriracha. Adam just made us cinnamon apples, which is my favorite little snack. Dinner wasn't very good tonight, so yeah, we're having cinnamon apples and we're watching this show. What's it called on Netflix? Holiday?
Happy, Merry, Not Really, something.
I don't know. It's like a new sitcom on Netflix. So we're gonna have cinnamon apples and watch some holiday TV with the tree plugged in. All right, just washed my face. I'm going to put my face mask on. Tonight I'm using this one from Origins. It is one of my absolute favorites. It is from their Clear Improvements line, which is so good. I'm almost out of this one. And I'm using this Ecotools classic foundation brush to apply it. I just don't like to dip my fingers into the tub. So I feel like it's a bit more sanitary, although I do double dip with the brush. It just still feels cleaner than my hands. And this mask has activated charcoal in it, so it's really good for breakouts, but it also has honey, so it will not dry out your skin. And I'm just kind of putting this in my problem areas. I'm not gonna put it everywhere. And then I am using these. They are the whitening strips that I really like. I get them off of Amazon, I will link them. So this is the first of 5. So this is what it looks like. It just comes with the 2 strips. And then I actually forgot that I did this last time until I was putting this one on. I actually trimmed it just a little bit because it was too much for my teeth. And yes, I have a lisp. All right, so we're gonna keep them on for about 2 hours. And this is the true look of beauty. It is Thursday. I have been a filming and editing machine today. And I just got something in the mail. It is this. It's from the brand Phorm. I'm trying it out, but this is a super green food mix. It actually looks really gross. It's just this like green powder, but I'm gonna try it. It says that it is natural berry flavored. So let's see. It says to mix 2 scoops of it into 8 ounces of water. And I've been noticing that my energy, so the scoops are kind of little, and I just filled it almost all the way. My energy is really low, and I know that I'm not getting the nutrition that I need because I have just been so grossed out by so many different foods. And so it's been really hard for me to, like, I don't know, eat healthy in the way that I want to be eating. So I thought that this would be kind of a good solution, maybe, to help me get some nutrients every day. This is looking very green and gross, if I'm being honest. I might add a little bit more water. I'm also open to the fact that this might be something that I just have to chug every morning and just move on with life and hate it, but just deal with it and see how it makes me feel. But the berry flavor got my hopes up, so we'll see. Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's definitely not like the most delicious thing I've ever tasted, and I do think that I'll probably just chug it. It almost has like a green tea aftertaste, which I'm personally not a fan of tea, so it's not bad though. Wow, I'm surprised. This looks disgusting. Like, it looks like, oh, I'll just spill it everywhere, but it looks gritty. Oh, I can move the camera. Hopefully you can see that, but it looks like it's gritty and gross. Not bad though. I just got this package in the mail, so I figured I would open it up. It is from Good Molecules. Oh, so it's about silicone. It says, according to science, silicone doesn't cause breakouts. So this is their silicone-free priming moisturizer. I'm confused if it's silicone-free, why they're talking about silicone. Oh, I guess because most people think that it isn't, so they're doing silicone-free for their first moisturizer. I am really excited to try this out. I've liked a lot of the products that I've tried. I don't know why it won't focus. But I have liked a lot of the products that I've tried. I'm just going to open this up. I'm looking in the background. I need to put boxes away. I ordered a pair of shoes from shoes.com. They're so cute, and I heard that they ran really small, and so I ended up, I'm an 8.5, and the only size they had available, like the closest size to me, was a 10, so I ordered it. And I really thought that they would be too big, and I think they are slightly too big, but they're like borderline, which is insane because I am a true 8.5, so that's a full size and a half larger, but I really want them, and they're only in stock right now in 6 and I think 7 or 7.5, which obviously is not going to fit me, so I don't know. I'm still debating on whether I want to keep them or not. But anyway, this is the packaging of the moisturizer. It is so cute, and it comes with a little pump. So I'm definitely going to try this out. I love the packaging from Good Molecules. So there's that. And then I do want to share this Amazon flop. I ordered these faux fur mittens. I just need mittens because I don't like my fingers being separated when I'm cold. I like to be able to kind of make a fist and like warm them up. I just like when my fingers are together. And so I found these faux fur mittens on Amazon and I ordered them. I was so excited about them. And it did say that they would turn into fingerless mittens, but which is fine. So you can flap them open and the thumb does that as well. So you can kind of like use your fingers if you need to. The issue I have with these is I've had plenty of pairs of gloves or mittens that do this so that you can have gloves or whatever. But these ones don't fold over at all. Usually the fabric folds over this part so you don't feel the air. These are just open, so airflow could just get in there. I live in Michigan. It's going to be really cold once the cold weather really hits, like January. I do not want the air to be able to get to my hands. If these were folded over more, they just need to like, I don't know, 1/3 of an inch of fabric more to just fold over that part. These would be really good. But I did also order a pair from Abercrombie. Those ones don't open at all. I will link those ones below too. They look super similar to this, although I think I did get the brown color thinking that I could have both. So those ones are darker, but yeah, these are a total flop. So don't buy these ones. And I looked on Amazon and I couldn't find any that had ones that folded over farther down. So these, needless to say, are going back. And hopefully my Abercrombie ones will be delivered soon. All right, guys, that was like the most random stuff that has happened over the past like week and a half. I have already posted my Black Friday vlog and a vlog my opening my first designer handbag. I kind of vlogged that too. I've posted both of those since I started this vlog, so this is like completely out of order, but I'm just gonna get it up, so I'm going to start a new vlog now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.